Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at the Cicada Club. My name is Jonathan Stout, and this is my Campus 5. Right now, it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you our featured vocalist, Our Lady of Song. Please welcome, if you will, Miss Hillary Alexander.
Well, good evening, everyone. This is a little Ella Mae Morris number called Cow Cow Boogie. Out on the plains, down near Santa Fe, I met a cowboy right in the range one day, and as he jogged along, I heard him singing a most peculiar cowboy song. It was a ditty he learned in the city, come a tee-yi-yi, come a tee-yip-diddy-yi, get along. Get hip, little doggies, get along. Better be on your way, get along. Get hip, little doggies, and he jerked them on down the old fairway, singing his cow-cow boogie in the strangest way. Come a tee-yi-yi, come a tee-yip-diddy-yi, his cowboy song. He's just too much. He's got a knocked up western accent with a Harlem touch. He was raised on local weed. He's what you call a swing half-breed, singing his cow-cow boogie in the strangest way. Come-a-tee-yi-yi, come-a-tee-yip-diddy-yi. Get along, little doggy, and he trucked along down the old fairway, singing his cow-cow boogie in the strangest way. Come-a-tee-yi-yi, come-a-tee-yip-diddy-yi. Yip-yip, singing his cowboy song. Yip-yip, as he was jumping along. Yip-yip, he sang with a Harlem touch. Yip, that cat is just too much, singing his cow-cow boogie in the strangest way. Come-a-tee-yi-yi, come-a-tee-yip-diddy-yi. Oh, thank you very much. Georgia, Georgia, the whole day through, just that old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia, Georgia, a song of you comes as sweet and clear as moonlight through the pines. Other arms reach out to me, other eyes smile tenderly. Still in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find. Just that old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. reach out to me. Other eyes smile tenderly. Still in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find. Just that old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Thank you so much. Who do you think is coming to town? You'll never guess who. Lovable, huggable Emily Brown, Miss Brown to you. What if the rain comes tumbling down? My heaven is blue. Can it be sending me Emily Brown, Miss Brown to you? I know her eyes will thrill ya, but go slow, oh, oh. Don't you all get too familiar? Why do you think she's coming to town? Just wait and you'll see. Can it be sending me Emily Brown? It's baby to me. you, baby. I'm gonna love you as long as I live. Maybe I can't give you diamonds and things like I want to, but I can promise you, baby, I'm gonna want you as long as I live. I never cared, but now I'm scared I won't live long enough. That's why I wear my rubbers when it rains and eat an apple every day and see the doctor anyway. What if I can't live to love you as long as I want to? Long as I promise you, baby, I'm gonna love you as long as I live. Never do. What if I can't live to love you as long as I want? Long as I promise you, baby, I'm gonna love you as long as I live. I'm gonna love you long as I live. Oh, thank you very much. I'll be there with bells, Massachusetts, homesick as can be, Massachusetts, only place for me, Massachusetts, got a special date with that New England state. How my heart will knock, Massachusetts, to see Plymouth Rock, Massachusetts, want to roam around, Massachusetts, in Nantucket Sound, Massachusetts, I can hardly wait, I hope the train ain't late. You can't guess how much it means for me to be there. Childhood friends and childhood scenes for me to see there. Neath the blue skies above, Massachusetts, with the one I love, Massachusetts, just like Jack and Jill, Massachusetts, with Bunker Hill, Massachusetts, spread the news around, I'm Massachusetts bound. Massachusetts bound. Oh, thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, up next, we're going to bring our featured trumpet player, Mr. Jim Ziegler, to the microphone to sing one for you. So please welcome, if you will, Mr. Jim Ziegler singing Rosetta.
That'll give you 8 bars to get. in my heart, dear, there's no one but you. Now you told me that you will love me, you would never leave me for somebody new. Oh, you made my whole life a dream. I pray that you'll make it come true. Rosetta, my Rosetta, please tell me, baby, I'm the only one for you.
Jonathan Stout and his Campus 5. And how about a big round of applause for the amazing, monstrous mouth of mighty musicality, mirth, and mystery, Mr. Jim Ziegler. Mr. Ziegler's very own Swing Stations Band will be appearing here at the Cicada Club this summer with the delightful Wendy Ray. And say, folks, do we have any birthdays in the house tonight? If it's your birthday, right now we invite you out onto the dance floor for your own very own special birthday dance. Do not be shy, step on down. Who else? Come on, don't be shy. Any birthdays upstairs? Upstairs, any birthdays? Well, come on downstairs. What are you doing upstairs? Now, this is going to be a very special birthday dance, which means anybody can cut in and dance with the birthday person. Now we're going to identify the birthday people. Raise your hand if it's your birthday. So now you see, raise your hand, Tise. So ladies and gentlemen, and those of you in the public, can cut in at any moment and dance with the birthday people. It won't be rude, you won't get slapped. Not like those other times. And now, here to play a little birthday music for you, Jonathan Stout and his Campus 5. Take it away, fellas. Don't be shy, you can cut right in. And also, when you're dancing with the birthday person, be sure to wish them a happy birthday. Don't just dance and walk off anonymously. Better hurry up, this is your last chance to dance with the birthday person. Don't be shy, cut right in. Happy birthday! Don't leave the dance floor just yet, ladies and gentlemen, because now it's time for the band to play Happy Birthday for you. All together. 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, whatever your name is. I have no idea. Happy birthday. From the Cicada Club to you. And you, and you, and you. And of course, we won't ask you how old you are. Well, will we, Tisei? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I can say Tisei has now turned 21. You may buy her a cocktail. And Katie has yet to turn 41. Don't buy her a cocktail yet. Say, folks, how about some more dance music with Jonathan Stout and his Campus 5? Featuring the effervescent Mama Hillary Alexander. And I'm not talking about her pet chickens. Did any of those chickens hatch? You eat the eggs or you hatch the eggs? She eats the eggs, a cannibal, ladies and gentlemen. It's shocking. Your own babies, you eat your own babies. Anything happens here at the Cicada Club, yes. We employ cannibals, we don't discriminate. And now, ladies and gentlemen, speaking of man-eaters, here he is. No, I take that back, start over. Here he is, the lovely, no, I take that back. Here he is, the exciting, charming Jonathan Stout and his Campus 5.
All right, that was Undecided. And this one is just about right for me. You're just about right for me. You absolutely suit me to a T. You fit to the letter, you couldn't be better. You're just about right for me. I never thought that I would see a person with your personality. The line that you hand out to me is a standout. You're just about right for me. From your head to your toes, they didn't leave out one detail. And your eyes and your nose kinda looks like Cupid's been reading my mail. It's just about time for me to tell you what your future's gonna be. I'm looking to go steady, so honey, get ready. You're just about right for me. It's just about time for me to tell you what your future's gonna be. I'm looking to go steady, so honey, get ready. You're just about right for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, we've got one more song for you this set, but we do have another set coming up, so stick around. This one is called By Mere Mr. Shane. Please let me explain. I'm here, Mr. Shane means that you're grand. explain. By mere shame, it means you're the fairest in the land. Shame, please let me explain. By mere shame means that you're grand. I'll try to explain. By mere shame, it means you're the fairest in the land. I could say Bella, Bella, even say Wonder Bar. Each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I'll try to explain. By mere shame, it means you're the fairest in the land. Thank you very much.
Say, folks, let's hear it one more time for Jonathan Stout at his Campus 5, featuring the lovely, effervescent Hillary Alexander.